up of department's neglect, villagers repair irrigation facility in Hanlokrok. Good morning viewers, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with your host Bon Kilingpi. And now let's look into the news in detail. Scarcity of rainfall is becoming the biggest concern for the farmers in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong district. On the other hand, the laxity on the part of the irrigation department officials in maintaining the water harvesting and irrigation facilities has led to worsening of water crisis in the area. Following this, residents of Hanlokrok under Rongkhang constituency forced to take up the task of repairing of the water reservoir in their locality. The water harvesting facility constructed by the irrigation department was meant to serve the purpose of providing enough water for cultivation during the times when there is scarce rainfall. Local farmers from more than 10 nearby villages are facing acute shortage of water to cultivate in their fields. Many farmers are still unable to sow the seeds to raise seedlings.
Kadang karbeng lang orang tu teman kadang pilo mililon video lagi Rongkhang konstituensi lo Hanlokrok awal long sekolah milih tindak non kerja badem lagi irrigation saya kami kan langketeng langroy long langketeng hadin nanti tu kan nampak lang pun kamera tu nanti tu tek pun long tindak orang ada tu trupak pen sini saya kecil langroy keteng tu sana saya keteng pun tu pijai silang tu nanti tindak masuk saya keteng pun kok mah Jela pusan si non sok pike klema ko saya kata tiki ada tu langkah itu yang aku hektik la pusan si non dak hawar long man lo lakan la pusan tak kasi la pusan apa ho je irrigation saya kamu pendak saya tiki ada pun je ke awar saya langkah du kabe piji apa lang itu si langit teng kondu bang sudah melang itu bang langit teng bon si lang kon pami medet kana jok si pini rada tum thupa kan sila bang saya cek yang kono ko Atinon ke sopi ke klema porlo, lapan chili sop chili sami kapari porlo bang sami, saya tu klem rat dona tu non bang so, aporti dah hut sami, penang tu ke sop chili kapari long lepen, aku dua kisah konflik tertan tak terpan beli nak.
So kapal chili alam saya porlo, alam ni tu rai rong cap bagdo, solang roy aku sapi itu. Tiok pasai itu sudah lagi. Akha kita pilih kanon musik eksploran dan kalau pilih ketua pasai kita dia kan aku sungguh. Ya soalang roy alam teng lang kami penajok menit itu saya cukup itu lantingan persen kali sudah saya itu kan. Lahir long ni pensi kebereng i penajok itu là non kerja bom juga council akan terjadi itu macam pilihan Rongkhang kerja lah MPSR kerja penedok itu usia kalau sampai dikap itu ke agak break warsai ke itu long lung kerja lo lah saya ke terjadi hanya kalau nama itu soalan lagi kalau saya itu karena kan sih lah itu apa yang itu orang
Hoping that the reviving of the irrigation water harvesting facility will solve the problem of water shortage, the farmers on Saturday took the task of cleaning and repairing the facility. The repair work was led by Hanlokrok Cooperative Lamb Society Secretary Mohan Pator and Hamran District Minority Board Chairman Harsing Tiso. While talking to Karbi Anglong Live, the leaders informed that 99% of the local population depends on agriculture. They have been sustaining their livelihood by farming since time immemorial, and the drought-like situation seen this year is causing massive impact on their lives and survival. LAM Secretary Mohan Pator further informed that public had to step in to do the repairing work as the employees of the irrigation department do not seem to care or have the urgency towards making the facility functional. Even at this time of crisis, the department officials are nowhere to be seen to inspect the condition of the water reservoir.
Ahok pet ke nili ta mahang tek telang aswa alang roy long yakara datum lang keteng mate long le keteng la pensi kacing keteng ke ingkan progres kira program he ningka kal dang long otomna kansil mate aso mikir hila tumsi dag lang teng teng lo nonta pilar kado la pen dam bom sinona bangke irrigation upgrade si SDC ahut 1987 pen monani tu madak sai chuti kilo la sofi ke no anta la dak meramoti mate ke lang pon abidal ta si li tu ma hin pen han ko hawa tur pet pen si ta choklam chada matung non pinadak busik da hongan ta nage parlo mai chili ar e tum che warong lena la sini tum karbia tum mate hindo tum ta ke amchi ar nam phan si chopha bomlo je ave botor permission ta ponta upai ave si pinani bangke metang tur pak man se solang teng lo metang kam si bikok ta lang teng ke teng nang ko pinada na si tong dun han ko homwai humiti Maya Hempu, Tonkasoko, La Palang, Donadun, Radibi Havar, Advisor Mate, Pusakro, Lapan Karbianglong, Hamlin District, Manur Chairman Hasing Tisoka Hai Pandanglok, Alang Litum Ladak, Ayin Pen, Karbi Lotalia Song, Intisangotu, Taladak Rankeatu, now to Mamaka Mataladana to Tekonolo, Natum Chupadukatu, Lasi, non a Franke, Daron Kang Havar, MSC. Mate MP ke hai haran sing be lapen kal bang long asian pilam no hang par chuni pon le thalo non amat lada so bang kampa chunji mate mera monti je phal department so bang pasik jik pen ki pupen se pini pharang ka hin pen itum chuni pon lo.
Public had strongly urged upon the local MAC and MP Horan Singbe and KACCM Tuliram Ronghang to take up urgent measures to extend their assistance towards the farmers in their troubled times. The villagers also appealed higher authority of the irrigation department to issue strict orders for employees visit and perform their duties. Vicky Bay from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live. Nilip Development Block Nokbe Hanse village resident and beneficiary Vopong Hanse has alleged that Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin house sanctioned for him was not completed. Our correspondent has sent us this report. The beneficiary told Karbi Anglong Live that the PMAYG house was sanctioned for the year 2018 to 2019, but to his shock, the construction of the house was stopped midway without any information or reason. The beneficiary further said that the contractor, supervisor, JE or BDO would be the persons who would know the real reason behind the halting of the construction work. Beneficiary Vopong Hanse, while talking to Karbi Anglong Live, said that the sudden stoppage of construction work is not only shocking and disappointing, but is also prolonging his family's pain and misery due to lack of house to protect his family from rain and storm. Following this, the beneficiary has urged upon the concerned officials and the department for spot visit and initiate immediate actions to resume the work and complete the house allotted to him at the earliest to end their housing woes.
PMYG kim ke kopianing kam na so ham so jing
2018-19 lason lam hai
solom de pining hang lot ning hang ma man tan ni tum ke do tha kon siksa ke sum no
labang ke ini cuma hin nange patang nang patang pi vek nang pu ya lo hem do thai aya li non barikha chala lo hem ka barak soli nang na thek loi
Cái nào phiên cái vàng với khang giang lắm mà là.
Vàng với
PMYG kim ke kopianing kam na so ham so jing
2018-19 lason lam hai
Samson Inkis report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. Another evidence of the rampant smuggling of timbers from the Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong emerged on Saturday when a truck laden with timbers was seized inside Jerikindeng area in West Karbi Anglong district. Our correspondent has sent the detail of the incident. The timber-laden truck was seized in Rongkhelan village falling under the southern range of Keroni. The illegal timbers were recovered after the forest personnel reached the spot immediately on receiving information about sighting of loading with timbers on the truck. The timbers recovered were identified as Sal and was later taken with the help of excavator to office of the Southern Range Keroni. According to Southern Range Keroni officials, lack of adequate vehicles for patrolling has been causing major hindrance towards patrolling and protecting forests, as the area is very huge and require constant patrol in order to prevent forest mafia from felling trees and smuggling of the timbers. Following this, the forest officials also urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to take measures and provide them patrolling vehicles to protect the forest.
দৈনন্দিন যেটো আমাৰ ৰুটিন হিচাপত আমি যিটো পেট্ৰলিং ডিউটি কৰোঁ ঠিক তেনেকৈয়ে আমি যোৱাকালি গ্ৰেণ্ডিঙৰ ফালে গৈছিলোঁ তেতিয়া ৰংখেলান বুলি কোৱা এটা জেগাত ৰাতি ঠিক 11টামান বজাত গাড়ী লুট কৰি থকা আমি উমান পাইছিলোঁ তেতিয়া পিছা কৰি যাওঁতে তেওঁলোকৰো ৰিপৰ্টাৰবিলাক ইনফৰ্মাৰবিলাক ষ্ট্ৰং আছিলে কিজানি তেতিয়া আমি যোৱা তেওঁলোকে উমান পাই গ'ল উমান পাই যোৱাৰ লগে লগে আমি গৈ পোৱাৰ অলপ আগে আগে তেওঁলোকে গাড়ী চাড়ী তেনেকৈ খুন্দা লুট কৰি থকা অৱস্থাৰ পৰা পলাই গুচি গ'ল তেতিয়া আমি বৰষুণো পৰি আছিলে তেতিয়া লাহেকৈ যিখিনি আছিলে গাড়ীত সেইখিনি লৈ পেলাই আমি ৰেঞ্জ হেডকোৱাৰ্টাৰলৈ আহি গ'লোঁ ৰাতি 11টামানত পাইছোঁ ৰংখেলানত
গাড়ী নম্বৰটো কি আছে
গাড়ী নম্বৰ বুলি ক'বলৈ আপোনালোকে মেক্সিমাম জানে মেঘালয়ৰ পৰা যিমান গাড়ী আহে সেইবিলাক চোৰাং গাড়ীবিলাকে আহে এতিয়া আমি গোটেই চেক কৰিছোঁ হেৰি কি কয় সিহঁতৰ যিবিলাক টুল বক্স থাকে কোনো ডকুমেণ্ট নাই আৰু গাড়ীৰো কোনো নম্বৰ চম্বৰ নাই গতিকে RC নম্বৰ কিমান হ'ব এতিয়ালৈকে আমি তদন্ত কৰি আছোঁ এতিয়ালৈকে তাৰ নম্বৰটো সবিশেষ আমি ওলাব পৰা নাই যিহেতুকে তাৰ ডকুমেণ্ট নাই গাড়ীটোৰ লগত
তাত কিমান পিচ আছিলে আৰু মাৰ্কেট ভেলু কিমান
এনেই 4 পিচ সেই পাইছোঁ তেওঁলোকে উঠাই থকা অৱস্থাত আমি গৈ পোৱা কাৰণে তেওঁলোকে পলাই গ'ল গম পাই পেলাই গতিকে যিখিনি পাইছোঁ সেইখিনিকে লৈ আহিছিলোঁ গতিকে এতিয়ালৈকে আমি অফিচিয়েলি ওলোৱা নাই তথাপি জাষ্ট যিহেতুকে 4 পিচে আছে গতিকে 4 পিচত মানে 1000ৰ পৰা 1500 বা 2000 মান হৈ যাব
Mohan Teron's report from Phelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live. Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.